So here's a fun question. Why did I clean the bathroom, but not the toilet? No, seriously. The mirror? Spotless. The tiles? Scrubbed with a toothbrush. The toilet? Unbothered, untouched, reigning supreme in filth. Why? Because ADHD. That's why. Here's how it goes. I start cleaning the sink. Cool. Progress. Then I notice toothpaste splatters on the mirror. Can't unsee it. So now I'm cleaning the mirror. Then I see dusty light bulbs. Now I'm standing on a chair with a cloth and a weird amount of determination. Then I remember the window. Now I'm outside, barefoot, cleaning glass like I'm being judged by NASA. Meanwhile, the toilet, still vibing in the corner like, hey, you good? It's not that I didn't want to clean it, it's that my brain took a scenic route with 17 detours. It's called executive dysfunction, and it's not just about starting things, it's also about sequencing, prioritizing, and finishing tasks. Neurotypical logic, bathroom, clean all of it. ADHD logic, clean 83% of it, hyperfocus on grout, forget toilet exists, rearrange medicine cabinet alphabetically. Look, my brain isn't lazy, it's just running 84 tabs at once, and somehow none of them are the toilet. Let's talk about task switching glitches. You think you're doing one job, but you're actually starting 8 and only finishing 2. And they're never the ones people notice, like you forgot the bin, but organized all your cotton buds by length. You didn't hoover, but you deep cleaned the plunger. Welcome to the ADHD cleaning method, TTM. Pure chaos. Zero logic. Surprisingly effective in weird areas only. And hey, we're not alone. If you've ever folded laundry but didn't put it away, washed the dishes but forgot the cutlery, tidied every room except the one your guest is going to see, then congratulations. You're probably riding the same brainwave. So what helps? Checklist everything, even the obvious. Yes. Right, clean toilet. I'm not joking. Timers, 10-minute zones, one task per alarm. Keeps the chaos in a leash. Kinda, body double. Clean with someone nearby. I don't know why this works, but it does. Celebrate partial wins. You cleaned 80% of a bathroom. That's 80% more than most politicians do for a living. And finally, ask for help without shame. Your brain's trying. It just needs a GPS and maybe a snack. So yeah, I cleaned the bathroom, not the toilet. And that's okay. The grout is sparkling and I found 12 bobby pins I thought were lost forever. If your to-do list makes sense only to you, and your cleaning style is whatever my brain notices first, this one I guess for you, hit like, subscribe for more neuro-spicy life logs, and drop a comment with your weirdest hyper-focused cleaning moment. Bonus points if it involved tweezers.